Hi, so this is Nick and Katerina, and today we're going to be discussing how to use your OneDrive for Business. So to start, go on the internet, type in OneDrive for Business, you'll see right here, and once you get there, you'll see up in the top right corner that it says Sign In, Sign Up. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. At the login information, you have to put your username at limestoneschools.ca. So I'm just going to put this in here. And then this should redirect you to your Limestone School Board. And from here, you would just sign in using your password. And this is what your OneDrive looks like, at least on an iPad. If you want to see what it would look like on a different computer that's a Microsoft platform, switch to a PC view. And you can see that all the files are organized in a row right here. If we look up in the corner here, you see this person. If we click on that, that's where you would go to sign out. Up in this right corner here, we have the Rubik's Cube. If we click on that, this is a place to access all the different apps that Microsoft Office 365 can do. So today we're just going to look at Outlook, OneDrive, and Word. For if you want to see a detailed explanation of Word, see our video on it. But for the purpose of right now, we're just going to stay in OneDrive. So, like I said, OneDrive is a spot where you can upload all your files to store them, where you can access them from any computer anywhere. The only thing that you need is the internet, basically. It has 1 terabyte of data, so chances are you're not going to be able to fill this up. If we look at right here, we see it says new with a plus button. So if we click on that, this is a place where you can create Word documents, Excel, PowerPoints, surveys, things like that. There's also another place that you can do this, and it's on this Rubik's Cube. If we click here, you can see it all down here too, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So we're just going to go and click on a document that we already had created, so I can show you what Word looks like here. And this is what Word looks like as soon as you click on a document that you have created. Notice that you can't do anything to it right now. You have to click on Edit Document first. And then it'll say Edit in Word or Edit in Word Online. The difference between these is that if you choose to edit Word Online, you can use it on any platform, even if it doesn't have Microsoft Word installed onto it. So you could be using a phone that is 5 years old, doesn't have Word on it. If you click edit your document in Word Online, it'll open and it'll work. You can edit your document, save it, and hand it into your teacher, let's say. Edit in Word is good if you already have Word installed on the device that you're using. Given the option at the school, I would always suggest editing in Word, not on Word Online, because of your school's finicky internet settings and dropouts. So I would typically work in Word and then just save it later. So this is what editing in Word Online looks like. As you can see, it looks the exact same thing as it would on any other Microsoft Word document. From here, if you want to go back to your OneDrive, once again, look for the Rubik Cube. And we're going to look for OneDrive and click on that. If you want to manage any of the files, what you have to do, like let's say we wanted to delete that test document or document 1 that we have here, you can see how there's a check mark up here. What you want to do is check mark the item that you want to delete, so you'd click where that check mark should go. And whenever you see it highlighted, you can see over here where it says manage. We're going to click on that. And then down here it says delete. And that's what you'd click on if you want to delete something. Similarly, if you want to send this to someone else, what you could do is, if it's still highlighted, you click on the share button. And this box pops up. You can start typing in the name of the person you want to share it with. The database should already be uploaded with everyone's name, so you just click on the name after you type in a few letters. And then here it says can edit or can view. So what this does is that if you want the person to only be able to read the document, you can click on can view. If you want the person to be able to edit the document too, you just click on can edit. And then you would hit the share button that you see down here. So that is pretty much how to use your OneDrive. And if you were using a PC, you can see how it says upload right here. What you would do is you'd click on that button, and any files that you want to throw up onto your OneDrive, you just select them and click the upload button. If you want to do multiple files at once, you can select all and upload that way. You can't upload a folder containing a bunch of different files, so like I said, you have to either select them individually or select all and then upload. So I hope this helped you, and stay tuned for our next videos. Thank you very much.